Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video is we are going to do a haul. So this is more likely 99 haul. So pinamili ko to kasi meron akong paggagamitan. This is mixed, so Shopee and then TikTok haul. So ito yung mga nabili ko during 99 sale and payday sale. Dito tayo mag-start, guys. Sobrang laki niya. This is like an alcohol mist spray. Kinuha ko, guys. This is transparent and this is already 500 ml. Next, guys, is ito here. I bought 3, guys. So, ganito siya. Ito yung kinuha ko, white color, and then meron na siyang keychain, and then yung case niya. Next, guys, is ito. So, this is a small parcel lang. A dental floss box. I opted to buy like a casing, but meron na siyang free 10 pieces, guys. You'll just have to push it here. Magkabilaan sila, guys. Ganyan. Next, guys, is ito. May lalagyanan ako ng ayos. I bought like this. This is very helpful, guys, kapag naglalagay kayo ng ayos sa face nyo. Next, guys, is ito. Tissue holder talaga siya, guys. Sobrang aesthetic at cute niya. Sobrang cute niya lang, guys. White color yung kinuha ko. And then, kapag nag-refill is dito lang sa bottom part. Meron din siyang spring na kasama. And, very cute. Ribbon siya, guys. Para, like, ma-design nyo kung saan nyo gusto. Next, guys, from Get Ready With Me. So, since nag-sale sila, guys, I got 2 products already. So, ito yung Lip Max nila na Highly Nourishing Lip Balm. Diba? Very cute and elegant niya, guys. I got the shade Hot Choco and Toto. Let's try to open, guys. Ganyan siya. This is Hot Choco and this is Toto. Next, guys, is from Mera. This is the Alexa na top, yung long sleeve and then pa-square neck, guys. I'll be putting a picture here. So, hindi ko na siya bubuksan kasi madumi yung kamay ko. Next, guys, is ito. These are travel organizers, guys, for your liquids. Meron silang 15 ml, 30 ml, 50, and then 100. So, tatlo-tatlo yung kinuha ko. This is 100 ml, guys. 100 ml, guys. And air pump bottle sila. This is 15 ml, guys. 15 ml. Sobrang cute and ganda niya lang. 50 ml. 30 ml, guys. Ganito siya. Diba? From my right side, this is 15 ml. Ito, 30, 50, and then 100 ml. This is a necklace. This is how it looks like. Yan. Minimalist lang siya and then may tatlong hearts siya on the chain. Next, guys, is ito. This is a coin purse, guys. And I have been using this one already. And this is from Hanky. Because, guys, yung reason bakit ako bumili nito is for convenience lang. Kasi when I commute, I usually bring the big wallet. But I'm kinda hesitant to bring a whole wallet kasi baka isipin marami akong pera pero wala naman. It has a like a keychain at the back, guys. Guys, is here, Fabulash. So, ito siya, guys. Sobrang laki pala talaga niya in person. I got the diamond shape and the triangle shape, guys. So, ganyan siya. This is from Vice Cosmetics, guys. These are their lasting liner. Bumili ako ng dalawa pa kasi meron ako nung white. I decided na bumili din itong nude and then yung jet black. Nakapag-decide ako na bumili ng nude and black. Next one, guys. Next one is a power bank kasi gagamitin ko din siya. And it's from Romos. This is already 20,000 mAh and meron na siyang built-in cables. So, ganito siya in a box. Manual. I got the white color. So, ganito siya. Yung handle niya is Type-C. Kikita nyo ba? Basta Type-C siya, guys. And then, meron siyang lightning cable dyan. And then, pwede din kayong mag-USB cable dito and then Type-C cable. So, this is a passport holder. Yan siya para hindi mabasa yung or masira yung passport ko, guys. So, ganito siya. PVC yung material niya, guys. And the zipper din siya. So, ganyan siya sa loob. Next, guys, is ito. Nag-iisang purple na parcel. So, this is like a scrub siya sa face. But gentle scrub lang siya, guys. So, pag ganyan. I got the color apricot. Next, guys, is ito. Ako nakita na super ganda na with wear. Kasi hindi ko gustong mag-bluetooth sana para hindi siya mabugbog. But, wala talaga akong nakita, guys. So, I just opted for this Basus. I think, Basus na E18 na wireless earphone. Black sana yung kukunin ko, guys, but out of stock. So, white na lang yung pinadala nila. Ganyan siya. Meron na siyang cable and then super liit pala niyang casing niya, guys. Ganyan. Here is the insides, guys. This is from Popek. Lip gloss na naman, guys. Kasi nag-buy one take one sila, guys. So, nag-order na lang din ako. And this is my first Popek na mga product. So, nakalagay pala siya sa mga ganito. Like, mga reusable bag. Lip peptide. So, ganito siya. I got this shade Beach Babe and Honey Blonde. Very cute. Parang talaga siyang pang Barbie, guys. Tignan niyo. Ganyan siya. Then, this is Honey Blonde, this one, and Beach Babe to. They are mga lashes, guys. Meron na siyang free tweezers na kasama. The lashes, lash clusters, guys. And then, this is glue-free, but itatry ko pa siya if maganda ba siya or what. I got BA13, this one, and BA06. Yung sinasabi kong another lashes, guys. This is from Eliza. First is itong lambkin. Ipapakita ko sa inyo, guys. Actually, nung dumating siya sa akin, guys, is basag yung case niya, but I don't mind as long as nandyan yung product. So, ganito siya. Same lang to sila, guys, but I think maganda sila. Yo, guys, ganyan siya. This parcel, guys. Damit to siya, guys. So, para siyang cords. Ganyan yung tela niya. The bottom part is a skirt. Ganyan siya. This is the back part. This is the front part. Oh, sobrang stretchy. I love this. This is the top, guys. Meron siyang tali dito sa likod para mag-cinch in yung waist nyo. Anyway, that's the end of my 99 Boodle haul. Don't forget to like and subscribe on this video and I hope you enjoyed and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye!